Hello friends, my name is Jackie, you're watching Super Enthused, and today we're at Epcot for the 4th of July 2019. I spent yesterday, July 3rd, at Magic Kingdom, checking out their Independence Day festivities, and I'm spending the actual 4th of July here at Epcot tonight. There's gonna be special fireworks after tonight's Illuminations show, and tonight is the last 4th of July Illuminations ever. Because as you may or may not know, Illuminations, Reflections of Earth, the fireworks show that takes place each evening here at Epcot, is going away this September. It is being replaced by a brand new nighttime show. So this is it. Last Illuminations, 4th of July ever, and we are here for it. Besides that, we're gonna listen to the Voices of Liberty perform and check out anything patriotic and special going on for the 4th of July tonight. Let's go check out the festivities. Look at all this space. It's just crazy. That side of the Leave a Legacy monuments is gone, but this side is still here for now, for a very limited time. Soon, these will all be gone, and this will be cleared out for an entirely new entryway to Epcot. Just had to take a second to point that out. So many changes coming to Epcot so soon. This is all gonna be so different in just a few short months. I hope that I'll have the opportunity to do a more comprehensive video about the changes coming to Epcot, but all of this is going to look very, very different very, very soon. They've actually got special merchandise to celebrate the end of Illuminations, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the shirt. I like it, and I'm getting it to commemorate Illuminations, Reflections of Earth. The American Pavilion's quick service dining option, Liberty Inn, is closing very, very soon. So this will most likely be my last time eating here. This has never been my first choice of places to eat, but since it's closing, we've got to pay our respects. It's the 4th of July. We're gonna go ahead and have some food at Liberty Inn before seeing a performance of the Voices of Liberty. Let's go. Look at how cool this is. They have special showings of Voices of Liberty tonight on the big stage. We're gonna try to find some good seats. It's already pretty packed, but we're gonna try. Oh!
We invite you to enjoy Voices of Liberty 4th of July concert.
Friends and honored guests, happy 4th of July, and welcome to Epcot and the American Gardens Theater. Today is our country's 243rd birthday. So join us now on this historic day as we celebrate our independence with some of the great songs of America.
all, it took almost that whole show for my burger from Liberty Inn to be ready. It's just a basic burger. I like that it has these big pickle spears in it and fries, so I'm gonna enjoy this. And then we're gonna continue around Epcot, so bon appetit. That show got me a little emotional. I think I need some food to chill out now. We got kicked out of the USA. They totally kicked us out, right?
They did.
And so now we're just drinking slushies and being fancy.
You're drinking the slushie and I'm being fancy, I think.
Right? I think that's accurate.
Epcot will be presenting a special holiday summer during Illuminations with Options of Earth, our Pyrotechnique and laser spectacular.
Okay, they have turned on the torches that line the entire perimeter of the lake here and signify the beginning of the evening at Epcot. It's been a warm night. I mean, they have really turned the fire up.
I don't like it, Jackie. Now it's even hotter.
Are we ready for Illuminations, reflections?
I know.
I certainly hope so. Yeah. I'm sweating like crazy.
Yeah,
let's see this fireworks show. Yeah.
Lighten things up, but we'll be okay.
Also, hi everybody, how you doing? Happy 4th of July.
You guys?
Happy actual 4th of July. I know.
4th of July. We both did videos on the 3rd.
We did, yeah.
You ate a corn dog.
I did eat corn dog.
I did.
I sang good old Star Spangled Banner.
You did.
It's early light. Oh, look at that fire lighting.
Look at that lighting.
Wow.
Walt Disney World, the place where dreams come true. We welcome all of you to Epcot and World Showcase. We're gathered here tonight around the fire as people of all lands have gathered for thousands and thousands of years before us. We hope you enjoy our story tonight. Reflections of Earth.
I can put you down if you like.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as a part of our celebration of American independence, we invite you to enjoy a special 4th of July pyrotechnic salute with the music of some of the greatest American composers. Epcot is pleased to present the heartbeat of freedom.
There it is. The chanting of USA is happening behind us. There we go. That's coming straight out of the American Pavilion over there. American Pavillion is popping off right now, literally. Illuminations presentation. The America crew is in the house.
We're gonna spread our golden wings and fly off.
And we're gonna fly away. Thank you guys so much for joining us, Magic Geekdom, Vincent Vision. We will see you guys next time. And until then, stay enthused! Woo! Ah! As we make our way out of Epcot, through the crowds, Spaceship Earth has some lasers going on up there. And it says, Happy Birthday, America. And other Independence Day. There it is. Happy birthday, America. That is so cool.
America, spread your golden wings.